I'm going to be showing you how to send voice messages on iPhone. To send voice message, to send voice note as messages on iPhone, it's very simple to do and very basic. I'm going to be showing you that. The first thing you want to do, you want to open up the message app on your iPhone. So let's open it up. As you can see, this is the message app on the iPhone. To send new message, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see a pencil over there inside a square. So I want you to tap on that pencil to open up the new chat. So once you open it up, it will take you to this page where you can send a message to anyone. So the first thing you want to do, as you can see at the heading, it says new message. You can see where it says to. You want to select the person you want to send message to. Let's select something here, my MTN. Okay, so once you select the person you want to send the recipient, so the next thing for you is to do this is to tap on the message box below. As you can see, it says text message. To now send voice note, to send voice message instead of written message, this is what you have to do. Inside this keyboard, if you check the left side, you're going to see a plus sign over there. I want you to tap on that plus sign. Once you tap on that plus sign, it's going to pop up some things for you. On here, I want you to tap on audio. So once you tap on audio, it will ask you to record the audio. So once it has started recording, once you are done recording whatever you want to record, you can see a stop icon beside the recording. Just tap on that plus on that icon. Once you tap on it, the voice will be recorded successfully. So to now send this to this recipient, if you check beside the right side, you are going to see a green icon and a white arrow pointing to the top. Just tap on that arrow and this message will be sent successfully. So guys, this is how to record voice on iPhone and how to send it as message on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.